Chooza chicken. We're gonna do this. Chooza chicken. You might be asking yourself, what is Chooza chicken? Chooza chicken is to Nairobi what jerk chicken is to Jamaica, what Nashville hot chicken is to Nashville, what Colonel Sanders is to Kentucky. Maybe, I don't know about that. Sounds good. Anyway, Chooza chicken has a lot of ingredients to it. Some you probably have on hand, some you might. Here, come here, check it out. Don't be scared off. If you don't have all the ingredients, I have in the description box some good alternatives that you can substitute things for, and it will be just as good. The trademark color of Chooza chicken is a bright red, orangey, yellow color. They actually add food coloring in to get that color. I'm not gonna do that. For you, I have juiced a beet. Beet juice is a way to get a natural red food coloring because there are some issues with red food coloring. I'm sure you've heard about it. So I'm gonna use beet juice, won't change the flavor. It will be just as good. If you don't have all these ingredients, you gotta try this recipe. I don't wanna see any more, salt and pepper and barbecue sauce on my chicken. You gotta try something different, man. You gotta do something different. Let's take a little trip to Nairobi and see what they like. Man, this stuff is good. You gotta try it. Let me show you how to do it. Guess what? Major screw up. I forgot to hit record. Like I said, I could screw up about anything. So, we have our marinade already done. I'll list the ingredients for you. How's that? Dump everything into a bowl and mix it up. Now we'll go from here. Yeah, that was a total blow-up move. I apologize, but it's less time you have to watch the video. Sometimes I think they might go on a little too long. So now I'm gonna talk and fill in the rest of that time. How's that? Just kidding. There's our marinade. You would not understand the aroma from this. The aroma itself is gonna make you drool. Just having the ingredients out, you could smell it throughout the kitchen, and it smelled so good. I used some of my green chutney. If you don't have green chutney, there's a recipe for it right there, of how to make green chutney. There's also substitutes for that. Like I said, go in the description box. I'm gonna have all the ingredients since I did the total blew-up move. I would have the ingredients there anyway, but now you're gonna have to go to the description box. You gotta make this stuff. Now we're just gonna put our chicken in, we're gonna let it marinate. I have about 3.5, 4 pounds of chicken thighs. They are bone in. I removed the skin. I don't want the skin. You can leave the skin on if you want. Throw your chicken in there. It's a good thick sauce. I just blew it again. Oh my God, it's one of those days, guys. Well, you're supposed to save a little bit of it. I guess we still could. It's gonna be basted on the chicken as we're cooking it. Let me save a little bit of it now, after the fact. So, I'm gonna save some of it for basting while we're doing the chicken. Not gonna save a whole lot, but you could also save some for dipping afterwards. We're not gonna do that now that our chicken's into it. That just wouldn't be good. Finish putting your chicken in there. Get in there with your hands and mix it up. I think my beet juice, look at that. It's gonna have a huge effect on the color. So that's a good thing. There's one good thing out of this video, other than the product itself. Look at the color of that. It's gonna be amazing. And the aroma, out of this world, man. We're gonna cover it, we're gonna refrigerate it for, a good probably 5-6 hours. If you got overnight, marinate it overnight, at least an hour or two. See you in a while. We've been marinating for about 6 hours. It's time to get the Chooza chicken on the grill. We're gonna let it go for about 5 minutes. We'll flip it, we'll add some more sauce, we'll go cook it another 5 minutes, and then we'll check our temperature and make sure we're there. 5-6 minutes per side should do it. See how it goes. It smells so good. Well, there we go. Chooza chicken. My beet dye didn't turn out as bright as I wanted it, but the flavor is there. I can guarantee it. So if you want it red, marinate it longer, or you might have to use red food dye. I don't know. As long as the flavor's there, color don't matter. But it's as tender as it can be. Oh my. Oh my. You gotta do some Chooza chicken. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to subscribe to Eat This Grinds and Cocktails. Hit the little bell for notifications. Like it, share it, and have a great day. It's time for dinner.